Hey guys, welcome to this video and it's time to unbox the latest Fossil smartwatch. So this is Wear OS smartwatch and this is Fossil Generation 5 Carlyle 44mm with a brown uh, wristband. So let's unbox this and see which version of Wear OS it's running on, and I'm super excited to have this watch. This is my first Wear OS smartwatch and I'm looking forward to using Google Assistant on this watch. So let's unbox this. Not sure how to unbox this one, so let me just cut it right here. And I guess we'll lift it up from here like this, and wow, super nice, and the whole thing comes out, I guess. How does this work? Okay, it's stuck somewhere. Oh, there it goes. So okay, so it falls apart like this. So that's the watch itself. Really cool, looks high quality, feels high quality. I like the color of the band. So let's put this away and see what I have thrown in every direction. So that's the charger. So there you go, it will fit on the back like this. And then what's there? So nothing here, just these few things. And what else is there inside the box? So that's the, I don't know what that is, warranty and information. And this is the smartwatch. I think that's a quick start guide. There it is. So a lot of information, we'll go through this later on, but let's look at the watch first. So that's the watch, and let's remove the sticker. And looks nice. And what's that? Okay, so there we are back after removing everything. I like the shape of the watch. I like we've got 3 buttons here, all pressable, and we've got our heart rate sensor at the back. And I like these bands, the color of these bands. These are 22mm bands, so there you go, 22mm genuine leather. And then I think we have a speaker here, microphone perhaps here. So let's go ahead and turn on this watch and go through the initial setup. So how do we turn it on? Okay, let's go through the instructions. I guess we have to go through them. So it says here, connect your smartwatch to the included charger. When it's fully charged, press the middle button to turn it on. So I have to charge it first. So guys, I'm gonna cut this video here and I'm gonna charge it, come back, and then finish this video, and I'll see you in few hours. So guys, I am back finally. The watch finished charging and now we have enough charge to go through and go in the settings and take a look at the software on the watch. Now I'm so used to watching Samsung Galaxy watches that this Wear OS software is totally different for me. And so there you go, it's running on Wear OS 2.6, and this is Carlyle HR, and this is the one with Wear 3100 processor, so that's the new processor, I guess. And there you go. So a lot of features and a lot of new things to learn about this Wear OS, and I'll be going through all of that. In the meantime, if you want to ask any questions, go ahead and ask me in the comments so that I can include the answers in my upcoming videos about Wear OS, about this watch in specific. And that's about it from this video, guys. That was the unboxing and initial impressions of Fossil Generation 5 Carlyle HR 44 millimeter watch, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.